At night, I remember when you and I were inseparable.
This is an announcement from the Shorts Wars Defense. Season 2 has ended just at around 4 p.m. Saturday, January 13, 2024. As a result, we are now entering a liquidation state since the government can no longer fund us for a problem that doesn't exist anymore. However, keep in mind that the government will not fully liquidate the Shorts Wars Defense, as the government will fund the defense again in an emergency. However, Shorts Wars Season 3 will unlikely happen later in 2024. Thank you for doing your part in helping the creators win. Have a great 2024. As this is the last time you will see us again. After this message, the emergency alert system will go back to normal.
It's the hottest product on the market right now, the Stanley brand drinking cup, and it's really creating a shopping frenzy.
Hey, News Now reporter Mary Jane Balieza shares what's behind the mug mania.
It's the newest craze, the Stanley Cup. But we're not talking about the Vegas Golden Knights Stanley Cup, but the tumbler. Elizabeth Jesser says her daughter owns 10.
She made a TikTok video, and they're just having the best time. Everybody has their Stanleys, and they like their certain